Oh, I love me some crab cakes. Honey, when I find Big Daddy, I'm going to take care of him. Okay, on to the crab cakes. I like a lot of crab and as little filler as possible. So I like to get good lump crab meat. And basically, you want to whip you up a little mixture of mayo, mustard, a little Worcestershire sauce, some seasoning. I like personally capers. I always want to put a little hot sauce in it to give it a little kick. It kind of kicks up the other flavors. And Old Bay is the go-to seasoning for everything seafood. But you want to just mix all of your ingredients together and fold in your crab. Don't break it up. I like my crab to be chunky. Listen, this came out so good, tasty, and delicious. I made my little crab patties like I would do salmon croquettes, put a little grease in the stove, flipped them twice, and they were delicious. I was really playing with different sizes. This size didn't work for me. This particular one is way too big, but it was super tasty. If somebody don't tell Big Daddy, dinner is served, honey.